In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Microsoft Edge experience by adjusting some of its settings. Let's dive in and explore how we can do this smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Edge on your device. If you haven't done it already, just click on the Edge icon and it should pop right up. Once you've got Edge open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. There, you'll notice three dots in a vertical line. This is your menu button. Go ahead and click on these three dots. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this list, you'll want to select Settings. This will bring you to the main settings page of Microsoft Edge. Now, on the left-hand side, you should see a panel with various categories. Here, you're going to look for Appearance. Once you spot it, click on Appearance, and this will take you to a new section offering a variety of customization options. In the Appearance settings, there's a specific option we're aiming for: Copilot and Sidebar. Scroll through if needed and click on this option. What we're doing here is adjusting how your sidebar behaves, and we want it to be as helpful as possible. When you click on Copilot and Sidebar, a few options will be displayed. Look for an option labeled Always On. Next to Always On, you'll see a small circle. You want to click this circle to activate it. By doing so, you ensure that the sidebar is accessible whenever your browser is open, providing easy access to the tools and extensions you need without any extra steps. And just like that, you're all set. These adjustments might seem small, but they can make using your browser much more convenient. Having the sidebar always visible means quicker access to features like bookmarks, searches, and other tools, streamlining your browsing experience and making it more efficient. If you decide later that you want to change this setting back or adjust any other appearances, you can always revisit these steps. Customizing things like the sidebar will allow you to use your tools to their fullest and make browsing a pleasant, user-friendly experience. Feel free to explore the settings further anytime you want to tailor more aspects of your Microsoft Edge experience. Remember, your browser is a tool that should work best for you, so don't hesitate to make these adjustments to suit your personal preferences. Make sure to experiment with other features and settings to get the most out of your browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing with your newly configured